Next, viewers, we're also tracking another breaking development with respect to the vaccination drive. In fact, the Lancet study has stated that the protection offered by the Oxford AstraZeneca COVID-19 vaccine declines after 3 months of receiving 2 doses of the preventive vaccine, according to the study that has now been published by the Lancet journal. In fact, the findings that were drawn from the data sets in Brazil and Scotland suggested that the booster programs are needed to help maintain the protection from severe diseases in those who have been vaccinated with AstraZeneca vaccine, which is known as Covishield in India. And the researchers had also analyzed data for over 2 million people in Scotland and 42 million people in Brazil who had been vaccinated with the AstraZeneca vaccine doses. In Scotland, in fact, when the comparison had been done with 2 weeks after receiving the second dose, there was approximately a 5-fold increase in the chance for being hospitalized or in fact dying from COVID-19 nearly 5 months after being double vaccinated as well. This is something that has been published in the study that has been carried out by the Lancet journal, in fact published in the Lancet journal as well. And the decline in the effectiveness also, something that the study states, begins to first appear at around 3 months when the risk of hospitalization and death is double that of 2 weeks after the second dose that has been taken by a particular person as well. And the researchers from Scotland and Brazil have found that the risk of hospitalization and death increases threefold just short of 4 months after the second vaccination dose that will be taken as well. And now for more expert opinions, let me also go across to our guests who are joining us on the broadcast. Dr. Shashank Joshi joins me here live. Doctor, a recent study that has now been published in the Lancet claiming that the protection which is offered by the Oxford AstraZeneca COVID-19 vaccine declines after 3 months, and several other findings that have been published in the Lancet. What is your opinion on the same?
So that's a very valid finding. From Scotland and Brazil, they found that after 3 months, the antibody titers came down. And we have seen similar things in India also. So, of course, the T-cell immunity always persists. So, the degree of confinement comes down. So, you can always get a breakthrough infection. The only thing is when you take 2 doses of the vaccine, it saves your lives and also saves you from severe disease. But with as the time goes by, the overall immune status comes down. So if you have had a COVID and had taken 2 shots, probably you are a little better protected. But in absence of any COVID infection, and if you have taken 2 shots and more than 6 months have elapsed, it's time for an extra dose. And this makes again a compelling case for our regulators to seriously look at giving the additional dose or the booster dose, at least to the healthcare providers, the frontline workers, people who have poor immunity status. And actually, if you ask me, eventually we'll need it for everybody.